Yo guys, what's good? It's Tron here. Today I'm going to be previewing the Odyssey drum kit. Just dropped on DrumVault.com. It's got about 50 drum sounds, 5 bonus melody loops. I got 808s, kicks, snares, claps, hi-hats, open hats, percs. Basically everything you need in there. So I'm just going to be previewing it through this loop I've made using all the drums. I've just used the first of every category and then I'm going to switch it through so you can hear each one. And I've got one of the loops laid out here, so I'll just play some of the loops through quick. So just to help you get started, maybe use them, make a quick drum beat, get the hang of it. So I'll just play what I've made here using the first drum sound of each. So as you can hear, all really nice clean sounds. So first off, the 808s, I got this Apex. That's what's playing here. It's probably my favourite 808 in the kit. It's my go-to right now. I got Focus. It's kind of a longer one and it pitches down. Give it a bit of a slide feel. Gauze, it's kind of distorted, fat sounding one. And this is like a super distorted one, kind of like some Ronnie J type stuff. All these sounds haven't been mixed. This is all just the raw sounds, how I've mixed them, so they sit nicely in the mixes. This one's kind of a longer one, just a clean, hard hitting one. It sounds really nice with a good kick. And then another kind of wide one, and it pitches down a bit. Alright, then claps, we got Crack. That one playing now. Just cuts through quite nicely. Then this one, it's kind of like a snare clap. That's kind of more metallic, really nice sounding. And I like this one. It's kind of just a hit, like there's not much to it, but it sounds really nice in the mix. Then the hi-hats, all pretty standard. And the kicks, I really like all the kicks in here, they're really hard. With a brand new one in it right now. I've just raised the velocities. I always do that with my kicks anyway, it makes it sound way harder. This one. That one's really hard too. I think this one or this one probably my favourite. Open hats, that one's kind of light, lasts quite long, works with pretty much anything. It's a more metallic one, pitches a bit. Actually really like that wings one. Now all the percs, I really like these percs. I worked the longest on these probably to make them sound unique and stuff. So we've got this blast one. That one I gave a really cool stereo effect. This one, Snake, definitely my favourite. I've been using that in a lot of beats lately. And the snares. Really like this one and that one. They're cool for like light bounces. So yeah, every sound is just dope and works with any mix. Like I tried to make them as clean as possible, and you can play with the levels and stuff. You shouldn't need to do much EQing. I did most of that. I did some compression where necessary. So I'll just arrange this beat out and then I'll let it play out for you guys. Right, I've just arranged that, so I'll play in a sec. So yeah, I hope you guys like the sounds in here, hope you like the preview, and hope you go on to get the kit, because there's a lot of my go-to sounds in here and I just feel like everything was perfect in this one. Definitely makes me want to work on more drum kits. If you guys are enjoying them, I'll keep making them. So yeah, just great 808s, great percs, kicks, everything really. Let me know what type of sounds you want more of. I know a lot of people have been looking for some perc kits, so I might work on an exclusive perc kit, so just percs and maybe some midis. So let me know if you'd want that, and hope you guys enjoyed the preview, hope you guys enjoyed the kit, and see you guys next time.